calm down. You got this all wrong. Just listen to me.
Here, have another drink, Gray. It'll help your aim.
Please.
Here, use my gun. I keep the sight a few inches left to target.
Nice.
Challenge yourself.
Look, the sooner you answer our questions, the better the odds we don't miss a bottle and evaporate your face.
Okay, stop. Okay, please. I'll tell you whatever you want, okay? Whatever you want to know. Whatever you want to know.
What's the bounty on our heads?
You worth $500 million per. Doubled after you raided that Confederate supply liner. Serrano himself put up the mark. $500 million? Not bad.
Maybe for you. I am worth twice that. Well now, I appreciate you being honest with us.
Hey, what the hell? I told you everything!
Yeah, but you tried to kill us, see? Telling us why doesn't earn you a reprieve.
Son of a bitch! I told you all I know!
Shut up.
Warning, airlock safety released.
Third bounty hunter this week. Toronto is stroking one hell of a murder boner, man.
Let's go loot a few Confederate ships. Earn our bounty.
Just wonderful!
Oh, cocksucker.
Warning, hull breach detected. Warning, hull breach detected.
Stupid bounty hunter. You said you searched him.
Don't delegate important things to the intoxicated. Is it just any old thing you touch crumbles into dog shit?
Your mom survived. Barely.
Guess I know how the old gal got that look. I need to tell you, you need to get out here.
Nice. Oh, show me some care.
You right? Door stuck.
Step aside, Doc. I'll deal with it my way. Shoot it!
So, which one of you left an over grenade on the bounty hunter?
Ray, we're compromised here. I'm warping.
Go for it. I'll be right up. Any booze left on this ship?
Nope. But there is paint thinner in the storage bay.
Ray, we've got trouble. I need you deck side, now!
Attention, everybody. Captain on deck.
I was following leads on Confederate supply liners. Came out of warp and it was just there.
The Ulysses.
I'm getting us out of here. Warping to a dark matter field. Try and lay low until...
We're not going anywhere. That's the Confederation's prize warbird. General Serrano will be on board. Christmas come early, boys. We got us some mass murdering piece of out there waiting on us to deliver some reparation.
We're with you, Gray. Serrano hung us all out to dry.
I ain't dry no more.
No, you're drunk. Again. We won't last 15 seconds.
You've lost your nerve, Ishii.
I honor my oath to serve you, despite your recklessness. But this, I will not die for your revenge, Gray.
Our revenge.
Ulysses wants to open a communication channel.
Arm forward cannons. They'll get the message. Any of you want a mutiny? Now's the time. No takers? Then fire! Come on, Rel. Let's make Serrano wish he'd triple that bounty. Take up Ulysses' external guns! Okay, fine. We were all dead men anyway. Dead for years now. Just needed to do this one last thing. Just had to make sure we didn't go to hell alone. General, gonna take you. Take every last one of you with us. And a sudden plunge in the sullen swell. 10 fathoms deep. On the road to hell.
Make assassination time fun, Doc. Glad you like them. One should take no joy in killing. We are soldiers, not assassins. So what, you just maybe need like a softer title, Ishii? Is that it? How about, disagreeable person's disposal unit?
You're pushing me, Rel.
No, but if I was gonna, this is the place to do it. Why don't we call downstairs? Let them know we're on our way. Send them our itinerary. Doesn't add up. The kind of money Novak has. We should encounter some resistance. Well, let's just call off the mission, man. Skippy Granola's groovy dreamcatcher's picking up some boomer vibes. Let's do it.
My mark. 3, 2, 1. Serrano wants explosives on that computer. Watch the clock. When's the pickup?
Don't sweat it, boss. We're on schedule.
Hey! What the fuck? I told you to rig these to blow, not check your goddamn email. What are you doing on here? What am I looking at?
Every hit we've done, we've been killing innocent people. Novak was a reporter, just finished an article on Serrano's corruption.
Get Serrano on the line. General Serrano, I have a...
What you calling me for, ass maggot? Are you calling me from the job site? You ignorant piece of shit!
Shut the fuck up! Answer me a question. These people... Have you had us killing innocent civilians?
What in the name of sweet Mary Mother of Christmas did you think you were doing out there all this time? You namby-pamby cocksucks are Confederate-sanctioned assassins!
You told us the targets were gun runners, slave traders, mass murderers.
Yeah, I lied. So what?
Who did we just kill? Novak.
Held incriminating evidence against you, sloppy shitheads. You killed him to cover up what you do.
And what exactly do we do?
You serve proudly at the pleasure of a general of this confederation that you love with such a fervor you would gleefully sacrifice your maggot dickless life on my say-so to keep her safe, your commanders happy, and your government's sovereignty strong. Now, you festering assholes! Either make with one sweet and sloppy apology, or I will fuck up your lives!
I am gonna kill you!
Hey, man! What the fuck? That was a giant group decision you just made for us.
Okay, we'll get to the Spectre. Jump to the side systems. Outside Confederate jurisdiction.
I don't think we're gonna get off this planet, Grayson.
Oh my God. Hey, it's okay, it's okay. We're not going to hurt you. You're going to be fine.
Ishi, stay with the girl! Underground! Go down fighting!
You guys shooting? I can't tell.
Things are getting fun! Come on, Greg! You're letting me do all the killing!
Kill the traitor! Die, fuck out of your side!
Shisano. You're famous where I come from. Gonna make me famous killing you.
Ishi!
Run, kid! Get to the elevator!
Got bad times, man.
Ishi's dying, man. He's all bust up.
See that?
Escape pods from Ulysses. Yeah, I see him crashing down. What about it? It doesn't matter, man. Get your head out of your ass. I need your help here.
All personnel evacuated. All personnel evacuated.
Dear God. Ishi, Ishii? Ah! Damn it!
Snap out of it! Quickly, get him to the infirmary.
Doc, is he gonna...
Just go.
That thing's hanging by a thread. Getting the hell off this ship!
You're not leaving Ishii! Not if there's any chance we can save him.
Okay. Doc thinks we can do something.
I need you to fix it, Doc. All those cyber patch jobs you did on the field, there must be...
I can replace fingers and limbs, but look at him, Gray. Half his body is crushed.
At least try. He'd do it for any one of us.
Maybe I could, but I'd need a charged fusion cell to power the bioweld.
Been out of them for months, Doc.
Damn it! There's gotta be another way.
Ulysses' escape capsules. A few jettisoned.
Wait a minute. Engines will have cells.
Yes, sirree.
Let's go, Rel!
Boys, time is short.
Just keep him alive. Be right back.
I want to be candid with you, Chief. You made a bad call.
Yeah, I know. What else is new? Wait, you hear that?
How goddamn banging? Yeah.
Son of a bitch!
You're like my own personal rabbit's foot, boss. Rainbows, puppies, and lucky fucking clovers spew from your ass.
Shut up! Come on, the other exit.
This is a terrible way to spend an afternoon.
Come on, keep moving.
Pick the real beach of the world to crash on, boss.
I need that energy cell. Ishii's fleet now.
Savage locals running interference, Doc. Killing as fast as we can.
Kill fast, shithole. Get the work done.
Ulysses. Took that bastard down with us.
I'm sure that'll make Ishii feel a lot better.
Get military. Take him down fast. One of Serrano's new squad.
That clown?
Final Echo. Elite.
Don't look too elite now, does he?
Rumors were true. Final Echo are using leashes.
I thought instinct-moderated weapons were outlawed.
Yeah, they were.
Hey, man, if that's gunpowder, we need it. So pull up your skirt and strap that dildo on.
Ooh, nice toy. Let's try it out. Ow! God damn. I can actually feel this thing talking to me.
Super, boss. Real happy for you. Now, can you make yourself useful and pop open the hood on this pod?
Hot damn. Grab one of those fusion cells.
Right, thanks. I'm just a waterhead. I forgot why I done marched out here.
Look out, that guy! Feel the love touch, scum!
Psychopath smoothie. Right. Grab your socks and pull up your jocks. We gotta go. minute, he's gone, you hear me?
Here, hold tight.
Ishi's lucky I got so much love for him. Not many other folks I'd do this for.
Doc will fix him, Rel. You'll see. Hurry! Plug it in! Now get out! Gotta fireweld millions of neurotransmitters. Get!
Procedure in progress. Sterilization is deployed.
Doc, you gotta hurry! We might be looking at visitors! Doc! Behind you! In the room! Get up! Boss! You're coming through the base! We gotta cover Ishi, man! Come on! Come on! No! Ishi's something we're dying for!
Procedure in progress. Procedure in progress.
Let's see some fight, you savage cocksuckers!
Kill. You die. Blood. You girl.
Motherfucker!
You don't live. You don't live. You nothing. Great.
Ishi! To die!
Been serving with you, boss.
Shoot me! Do it!
Help. Help me. Please. The pain. Ishi. Thank God you're alive.
God is not relevant.
Please, Doc, help. Something is happening. Listen to me, Ishi, okay? Well, you've been injured in the attack. Doc had to patch your brain with the robot's bioprocessor. You're gonna have trouble getting used to it, but it's like an amputation. I'm gonna help you, okay?
You are going to help me. I am having a difficult time seeing how you can help me. Your drunken thirst for revenge just killed our crew.
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You're sorry?
Ishi, listen to me. The bioprocessor. You can't let it take control. You just can't let that happen.
I'm going to kill you, Gray. I see no logical reason not to. That is a final Echo instinct leash.
Yeah. So what?
The communication line. Open it. Mute the mic.
Repeat. All Final Echo survivors report positions.
Priska, this is Serrano. I'm alive, but stuck on some damned hotel rooftop. Shake that sweet little can of yours. Locals are congregating. I'm in the shit here and need some help.
Any other Echo survivors, switch to tracker, zero in on my location. I'm off to guard the general downtown.
Serrano. Motherfucker is here. That changes things, Ishi. Even if you don't want to assassinate that son of a whore, if he's here, rescue jump ships will be here soon. Process that chance of survival.
Can you track the woman?
Yeah, got it. We find that broad. We can track her to Serrano
We
and...
use the General to get off-world. Killing him is counterproductive. I know how important it is for you to help me.
Yeah, of course. I wasn't thinking of killing him. We get to him, get you off-world. I know some black-level bioengineers. We can get you fixed up, Ishii. I swear it on my mother.
Then if I expire, you have failed your last bid for redemption.
Guess so.
The battery cell within this warbot is low. If I do not charge it within 30 minutes, I will die.
Freak jobs that attacked us? Got a large cluster of them southeast of here. They gotta have some power cells.
Then I will follow you. This one last time. Pay attention. There are many volatile components amid the debris.
Roger.
Stay alert.
I'll be careful. How you holding up? The pain manageable?
It is not. I'm left to endure it regardless.
Get you the hell out of here, Ishii. Got any idea what we're looking at here, Ishii?
No. It is Confederate, though. The Markings date to operation logs from over a year ago.
You just know Serrano's up to some shit. Oh, son of a mother. Tech is wild. This cocky leash is grading my performance.
It will have further opportunity to mark your efficiency. We are under attack.
Hold it together! Base camp up ahead!
They use Confederate technology.
Doesn't make sense. We're in the side quads. No colonies or Confederate troops anywhere near here.
This place is filthy with low-stress radiation.
Just like the old days.
Forgive my lack of hysteria. I've mapped the complex. Only way out is down.
It's close quarters in a mining complex. You sure you're up for this kind of fight?
I am not. I am not up for any of this. We have no other options.
Oh, great!
What are we looking at here? Pirate uranium mining?
No, the construction is too skillful. This is no backworld operation.
Whoever co-opted this joint, they aren't getting their deposit money back.
Stay focused. We are not safe here.
Only way down. Rise and shine, birthday bear! The man really sinks into work. Sluggo's pissing on the angels, friend.